These right here are frosted beer mugs. And today they're getting upgraded to frosted root beer float mugs. How awesome is that? You can use these for beer and you can use them for root beer floats and you can use them for any other beverage that you want. Now the texture on them, I just pulled them out of the freezer and look at that. It's just like a soccer style beer mug. Isn't that cool? So you can watch your favorite game and have a cold drink. So let's get started. They love it. It's really chilled. We keep these in our trailer and our RV. So when we're watching the game or we're pulling these out of the freezer, it's just awesome when you're camping and you have just something unique and it's fun to pull out of the freezer and then pour your favorite beverage in. But let's get started right here. I mean, it's super easy. And one scoop in here. And just like that, you have yourself a nice treat on a hot day. Now these beer mugs are super easy. You just toss them in the freezer, let them chill. Now, cheers, bottom up.